How to use Google Authenticator app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Google Authenticator app in your mobile device. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Google Authenticator and just simply download the application in your mobile device. And after that just simply open the app and click on Get Started and select your email address. If you don't have a Google Authenticator account already, you have to create an account for yourself, and as soon as you open your Google Authenticator app, you will be able to see this kind of interface where you can add a code in order to make your account fully fledged, and you can also scan QR code in order to log into your account. In order to unlock your account completely, when you click on the three dot menu icon from the left hand side of the screen, you will be able to see how it works, view in dark mode and other details. Just simply click on how it works, and as you can see that the stronger security with Google Authenticator is the first priority of the Google Authenticator app. So you need to set up your two-step verification if you haven't already. In order to set up your two-step verification, you need to scan the QR code using a third-party service like Google. You can use that. A unique code will be sent to you in order to sign up to your account, and you can use the Google Sync option in order to unlock your different account on different platforms. Just simply click on next, and once you're logged into your Google Authenticator app, then you will be able to use it quite easily, and then you will be able to use it for security reasons and other options. So this is basically how you will be able to use Google Authenticator app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.